Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn some commands as sort, wc, cut, head, tell and echo. So go to your Kali machine and open up your terminal. As I am in Kali machine, you can click here to open up your terminal. The first command we are going to use is sort command. So first of all, these files are on my desktop, so I have to go on my desktop. So use cd and desktop and hit enter. Check it using pwd. Right now we are on desktop. So try out our first command. Our first command is sort command. Sort command sort the line of text from any file. Like us, we are having name.txt file. So get the content of that file. You can see in this file we are having names. These names are not in alphabetical order. You can see D is coming after Z and lot of. So we are going to sort this names.txt. So use sort and name.txt and enter. You can see right now we are in alphabetical order. So that's how sort command work. Press Ctrl, clear out our screen. The next command is wc command. wc's command is used for word count. So I want to count the words in name.txt. So name.txt file having 9 lines. You can see do cat here and hit enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 lines. So next command is cut command. Cut command is for remove some section in the file. So right now we are having one file as fullname.txt. Cat this fullname.txt and see the content. In this file we are having full name of candidates and this program saving hello to everyone. So I want to extract only first name like as Gautam, Ekta, Dilip, Samir, Akash in this whole file. So what exactly I have to do? I have to use cut, then the delimiter. Delimiter here is space. Right now you can see space here. So I'm giving space as delimiter and which field I want to extract. So it's second field. So number of the field and name of the file and hit enter. You can see using this single command I can successfully able to grab out the first name in this whole file. So it's the power of command. If you want to know more about cut command, you can do man cut here and you can see we used delimiter and field. Press Q to exit and clear out the screen. Our next command is head command. Head command output first part of the any file. Like as we are having numbers.txt. So these are numbers are on number.txt file and do head here. Head then number.txt. You can see only some numbers are printed in this file. These numbers are on the top of head. So only 10 numbers are printed using head command. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it's default printout. First 10 numbers of the file. So what if I want to print out more than 10 numbers using head command? Use head hyphen. I want to print out 15 first numbers in this file and hit out name of the file and hit enter. You can see right now we can be able to print out 15 numbers. So use clear to clear out the screen. And our next command is tell command. Tell command is give output as last 10 lines of any file. Like us again do cat of number here, and in the last part we are having these numbers. So tell command is going to print out last 10 digit of this file. So use tell and name of the file and hit enter. You can see this file is printing 10 numbers including this line also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 spaces. This one is also counted in this. So use clear to clear out the screen. Our next command is echo command. Echo command is print out anything. Like as if you want to display hello in your command, hit enter, it's saying hello to you. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.